A very, very good evening once again from the Women's Hockey India League here. Coming to you live from the Marangon Ke Jaipal Singh Stadium here in Ranchi. As two terrific teams tussle it out against each other. It is the Shrachi Raj Bengal Tigers versus the JSW Surma Hockey Club.
सलीमा टेटे यानी कि JSW सुरमा हॉकी क्लब ने जीता है टॉस. क्या करना चाहेंगे आप? Start. Okay, you heard it from her herself that they want to start the play.
Attacking Arsenal unleashed, and that is it. So often have we seen a goal against a run of play, and it is the Shrachi Raj Bengal Tigers through Hannah Cotter that have opened the scoring, much to the delight of their coach, Glenn Turner. And what a start this has been. They have been playing catch-up for the most part. But good run, yet again imposing herself is Penny Squibb, using her physicality to good effect. She has people along the left, and here's an opportunity, and this is the equalizer. It has finally come by way of Olivia Shannon. She had an opportunity earlier in the opening half, couldn't do the job, but Kamat Yar, Kamat Olivia Shannon as Surma finally, much to the delight of their fans, equalize. And here's another opportunity to breach the circle. Salima Tete looks at an oblique angle, and what a strike from the hometown hero. Salima Tete, the Indian captain, has been a silent hero for the most part, and why wouldn't she celebrate with gusto? Had to pick a difficult angle to score.
Because you know that most of the Indian girls had to come up with a lot of obstacles.
And Vershoor, in fact, was encountered with an obstacle.
Basically because of the stick check right at the end that this has been given as a penalty stroke.
Sushila Chanu, fortunately getting her stick in the way. Yes, Sonam, who buries the ball home. And that is goal number 4 for the JSW Surma Hockey Club. Goal number 5, I beg your pardon, and the celebration has been as interesting to watch as has been the rest of the goal scoring display.
Absolutely, this is a good finish.
Not for the first time has Fiona Crackle shown defensive medal, but it's been a Surma show all along as they look to complete the game on a high. And as the final hooter goes up, it is the JSW Surma Hockey Club who came from a goal behind to complete a thumping victory, a facile win if you win, 4-1. And what a rousing start for JSW Surma Hockey Club. Jude Menezes and company.
The JSW Surma Hockey Club showing so much of steel in this match, coming back with 3 goals in the third quarter and 1 in the fourth quarter to win this match by a 4-1 margin.